Rexas Finance outshines Hamster Kombat at the moment, especially because of the detailed plan that is ensuring it grows at such a steady pace. Hamster Kombat, often referred to as HMSTR, is a widely known game that was launched into the crypto space after much hype, and indeed launched on various exchanges on the 26th of September 2024, skyrocketing 1,300% on its first listing day. Still, what seemed like a perfect start was soon to go sore. After its awaited airdrop, the token crashed by 30%, reducing the market capitalization to $574 million, a far cry from Notcoin's $871 million. At the time of this writing, the baby-laughing toy Hamster Kombat was going for a measly $0.006657 and calls into question its going-forward prospects. The experts have projected it will, however, reach $0.1 by the third quarter of the financial year 2025 and $1 by 2027, further up the forecasted rise. Yet, even on the rollercoaster ride of HMSTR, the more interesting project has shifted attention: Rexas Finance, also known as RXS. The rise of Hamster Kombat is preceded by the emergence of Rexas Finance, which reached the cryptocurrency market at a time when authorized RWA tokens were in demand among adaptive investors. Hamster Kombat, HMSTR, very good for sake, with some rough turns of events. Presently valued at $0.050 in the pre-sale stage 3 of Rexas Finance, there has been growth in the project. It fell to $0.030 during stage 1, increased by 66.7%, moved to stage 2, advanced to $0.040, and now sits at $0.050. So what seems to be all that hype around Rexas Finance? It is such because of its differentiating factor of asset tokenization. Persons who use Rexas Finance can obtain a percentage of multiple assets like real estate, commodities, currencies, arts, and many more. Rexas Finance affords those either a fraction of $1 million New York building or a fraction of world-renowned art books the possibility to buy them for as much or as little as they want, making the dream of owning property and assets across the world a reality. At the moment of writing, Rexas Finance has managed to raise an astonishing figure of $1,818,573 during the pre-sale stages, selling up to $46,371,448 RXS tokens. This success at an early stage is simply the beginning, since the token will be launched at an extraordinary figure of 20 cents. This suggests that for this particular pre-sale, for new investors, the ROI would be quite substantial, getting almost 6 times back once the currency gets an appropriate bearing against the market. Also, the sector that Rexas Finance is addressing is a real-world asset market that is very profitable and stable. In contrast to meme tokens such as Hamster Kombat, which is based on a speculative community, Rexas Finance has functional value. The investment in such real-world assets practically ensures sustainable development in the future, making the token attractive to investors who want low risk coupled with high potential growth. The future of Rexas Finance and Hamster Kombat. As Hamster Kombat is bustling back after its bumpy beginning, there is still a ray of hope for the project in case it manages to get back on its feet and achieve what it set out to do. By 2025, reaching about 10 cents per token and $1 by the year 2027 does not seem unreasonable at all. More so if the campaign for HMSTR is well managed alongside community support. On the other hand, Rexas Finance is still going up, and its prospects this time appear even better. The token adopting a launch price of 20 cents is low by months and years based on the amounts it is likely to grow to. It is hard to overlook the 6 times returns that pre-sale investors are bound to get, and with more of such RXS tokens being put on sale almost daily, the project keeps gaining traction. Conclusion: RXS steals the show. Hamster Kombat may still have potential after a bad launch, but more and more it is Rexas Finance that comes into the focus. With a strong emphasis on the tokenization of real-world assets, a slow but steady sale, and a clear monetization route, RXS looks to be the next big thing in the crypto scene. So regardless of whether it is the fast returns you seek or long-term investment plans, Rexas Finance presents itself as an attractive option for individuals seeking to diversify their portfolios and venture into the thriving RWA market. For more information about Rexas Finance, RXS, visit the links below.